trying drinks from In the Sun.
Today we tasted instant drinks. My favorite is tropical. It smelled very nice and very tasty.
Today we have been trying drinks by In the Sun, and we have tried them all, and if I had to pick one, it'd be all of them because they all got good flavour to them.
My favourite flavour was the tropical because of the sweet taste.
My favourite one is Smooth Orange.
And my favourite is tropical because it tastes like from Hawaii, from the coconuts, and it's very fruity and tasty.